Hi guys, and welcome to another Elementor video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, in our last video we added this little top selling section and it looks fine. What I'd like to do though now is change the color of our Woocommerce buttons to match either the logo red or the button red that we're using here, that we've been using through the site. Now, most of the times I'd go in, I'm using Google Chrome here, you go into the inspector, get the element and write a bit of CSS code. And change it that way and write it in. But there's a lot, that's kind of a long way around of doing it. It works absolutely fine. I've come across a great website. If I refresh this page, that'll go back to normal because it's non-destructive with the Chrome editor. There's a great website here called Theme Location. I'll put this link below the video here. They've kindly done all the CSS for you. Now, funnily enough, they've actually used the color I'm using, which is just a plain red there. And all you need to do is select all of this down to that closing curly bracket there, Control C to copy, or right click and copy, however you like to do it. Then you want to go to your theme customizer, which is Appearance, Themes, Customize. I've got mine open here. And let's go back so I can show you exactly where it is. If you go down to the bottom, we're using the 2020 theme here. Here's the additional CSS tab. Just click on it. It'll open up. And I'll paste that code in there and you'll instantly see our buttons for our shop right here change to that brighter red. Control V to paste. And there we are. We've now got our buttons matching our logo color, which is great. One thing that it does miss out, which is the sale button. So I'll add that piece of code and I'll put that down below the video as well. We just need to tag it on at the end. So let's have a look, inspect. And that's the class of on sale. So I'm going to drop down one. I'm going to put a dot because it's a class. And I'm going to copy that on sale right there, Control C, paste it in there. Open a couple of curly brackets, drop down, and in between I'll just say background red or whatever color you want to use. You can use Hex Code and all kind of different codes, and as you can see, that's now changed our sale buttons to that color too. So I need to publish that to make it permanent, and I'll close this out. Now if we go back to our tech home and refresh, those buttons should all change to the red color. There we go, fantastic. And if we go to our cart, I'm guessing I've got something in there. It's also changed the default buttons here to that red color as well. So that's great. Now I hear you say, what if we're not using red for our color? Well, it's really easy to change. There's a couple of ways you can do it. You can go through and just everywhere that you see red there, red important, just change it to the color you want. Or I've got a great free text editing program. It's called Brackets. I'll put this link down below also. And I use it for doing my Bootstrap and HTML coding. So I'll just go to File. I'll open a new page here. I'll get this code again. I'll put it in to the free text editor right here. I'm going to go to Find, hit Replace or hit Control H. I'm going to simply write red in here. You've got to write it exactly the way it is that they've put it, which is lowercase red. And I'm going to have it replaced with, say, blue. Or you can put it, like I say, a hex code in if you wish. Then I'm going to go over here and say Replace All. Now I'll copy all of that. Control A to copy it all, select it all, Control C to copy it. Let's go back to our customizer. And now I can simply Control A, select everything there, and Control V to paste everything in. And as you can see, our buttons are now blue. And we can work that with a hex code as well. I've got a little color picker, free Chrome color picker here. Let's go to a crazy purple or something like that. And it'll give us the code there. Let's just copy this code. Let's go back to here. And again, we'll go to find, replace. This time we'll put in blue, because that's the color we changed for. Now, because this is a hex code, you've got to have a hashtag in front of it. And we'll paste that hex code in there and replace. Control A to select all, Control C to copy. Again, let's get rid of my color picker here. Control A to select all, Control V, paste it in there, and now we've got purple buttons. Really easy to do. So let's go ahead and put this back to how it was, which was their original text for my purposes. And I've just got to do that sale button again. And it was a class of on sale. Dot for a class, name, open some curly brackets, and background red. Background colon red semicolon. There we go. So that's how easy it is to change all your buttons from Woocommerce to custom color. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.